This month we've got our next late night worship session happening, an evening of chilled acoustic worship. So if you want to come along, join us on Friday the 21st of Feb, which is during half term, from 7:30 till 9.
Now praise be a weapon that silences the enemy.
Ladies, our next devoted event is coming up on Saturday the 29th of February, and it's Pizza and Play. So you can get your tickets today for just £7 for an evening of fun, games and food and time together, and that will be starting from 6 p.m. on the 29th of Feb. So sign up today via the website or exchange.
And it changes everything. We sing with all we are and we claim your victory.
On a more serious note, we have got some knife crime awareness training happening here at Excel Church, where we can equip you guys on how to teach your children and young people on how to be safe around the issue of knife crime, which is a growing issue for us in our country. We have 2 sessions happening for this, one on the 11th of Feb, which is this Tuesday, and one on the 25th of Feb. So if you'd like to register for this, please do, because spaces are limited and you can register online or simply contact the office for more information.
Lift him high with all creation cry, God, we praise you.
Excel Unite is going to be happening in the next few months, and this is where all of church comes together for one service. So join us on Sunday the 22nd of March, which is also Mother's Day, and you can join us for a great service at 11 a.m. at RSA Academy in Tipton. See you there.
And let faith be the song that calms the storm inside of me. Let it cry.
Our next big outreach event is going to be with Mark Ritchie, who is coming to do his comedy show Bob's Not My Uncle, and that is going to be on Saturday the 14th of March at 7 p.m. Now we're getting you to invite all your friends and family along. Tickets are going to be just £5, and it's aimed at everyone who is at high school and above, really. So we want you to come along, support this, get your friends and family here to hear the gospel through the comedy of Mark Ritchie.
With all creation cry, God, we praise you.
During half term on Tuesday the 18th of Feb, there will be a free meal available for families through our Bridge Family Outreach Ministry. So if you know anyone interested who might want to come along for that, it will be happening 12 till 2. So please let us know, as there may be free transport provided as well. This week we've got a new Bible study series starting by Mike called How Can I Be Sure, which is going to delve into the joys and the dangers of Bible understanding. So I'm sure that will help us a lot as we all read our Bibles. So that's all from XL News. So if you want to know any more information, then head to our website, and we'll hopefully see you this Wednesday at 7:30 for our first of the Bible study series.